How to change your Discord language from your mobile application. If you're ever wondering how to change your language across many clients or many devices at once on your Discord mobile application, here's how to do it. First off, before we start, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. First off, fire off your Discord application and then head to your profile screen, go to the bottom of your screen and then click this button on the bottom right. You will be presented with a user settings screen. Scroll to the bottom. You'll see a language option on the app settings submenu. Choose that and then choose the language. Click and then change to whichever language that you want it to change to, and whichever language that the Discord application supports. Well, we can change to like Chinese, maybe Mandarin, Guo, and if you want to change back, if you want to switch back, just choose whichever one that you want, Omeguo or USA, maybe English. And that's pretty much how you change your Discord language across many clients on Discord mobile application. If you want to see more of these kinds of contents and tutorials and you find it helpful, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until our next tutorial, YouTube, bye.